Good morning children. Today we will see 6 and 7 digit numbers, that is lakhs and 10 lakhs. Now you see the number pattern. We will see first, second, third, fourth and fifth line we will see 99,999 plus 1. Then we are getting 1 lakh. This is a 6 digit number. Again 9,99,999 plus 1. Then we are getting 10 lakhs. Now we will see how to read and write the 6 and the 7 digit number. Now place value table needs more places and periods. So as you know, our period 1 is having 100 place, 10's place and 1's place, and 1000 is having 10,000 and 1000 place, and lakh is having 10 lakh and lakhs place. So now we will see one number. Here it is given 113,561, that is 1,13,561. So when we will write the number in the place value chart, we have to form accordingly. Suppose 1 will be in 1's place, 6 will be in 10's place, 100 will be 5 will be in 100 place, 3 will be in 1000 place, 1 will be in 10,000 place and 1 will be in lakhs place. So here you can see 0, that is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. And in abacus, how the numbers are formed? Through the beads. Next we will see how to write the place value, face value and the place value of the various digit. The example is given. Here you can see 3201,016. The same example we will see. Here first we have to form the places name. First we will fill up this, that is 10 lakh, lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100, 10 and ones. Here the places are from right to the left. We will see ones, the value is 1, tens 10, the value is 10, the places is 10, and 100, here 100, 100, the next 1,000, 1,000, that is 10,000, again 1 lakh and 10 lakh. When we are writing the face value, it will be the same number according to the place value chart. Here suppose 3 is in 10 lakhs place, the face value is 3. 2 is in lakhs place, but the face value is 2. Again here 0, again here 1 is 1000 place, the face value will be 1. 100 is in 100 place, there is 0. Then again in tens place the number is 1 and the face value is 1, and 6 is in 1's place, the face value is 6. But when we are writing the place value, we have to multiply 6 into 1 in 1's place, so 6 into 1, that is 6. Again 10's place 1 into 10, that is 10. Again in 100 place there is 0, so 0 into 100 also 0 again. Then 1000, that is 1 into 1000, that is 1000. Again 10,000 place there is 0, so 0 into 10,000 equal to 0. Again in lakhs place there is 2, so 2 into 1 lakh, that is 2 lakh. Again in place value of 10 lakh there is 3, so 3 into 10 lakh, that is 30 lakh. Next we will go to our exercise. First question is given, put a comma, write the number name and read it aloud. So first we will see Question number 1, 27835, that is 27,835. The next one is 3503282, that is 35 lakh 3282. The rest you have to do homework. Then write in figures or numbers, that is 16,503. So 1 is in 10,000 place, 6 is in 1000 place, 5 is in 100 place, again 3 is in ones place. The rest you will do homework. The next, write the following in the expanded form. First number is 32,506. So 3 into 10,000, that is 30,000. Again 2 into 1000, that is 2000. 5 into 100, that is 500. Again 0 into 10, that is 0, plus 6 into 1, that is 6. The rest you have to do homework. The next, read the abacus and write the number in figure. In ones place there is one bit, so in ones place we have to write 1. In tens place there is nothing, so we will write 0. In hundred place there is only one bit, that is 1. In thousand place there is 2 bit, that is 2. In 10,000 place there is nothing, so we will write 0. In lakhs place there is 1 bit, that is why we will write 1. Again in 10 lakhs place there is 2 bits are there, so we will write 2. So 21 lakh 2,101. The next one you will do homework. The next one we will see. Show the number on the abacus by drawing beads. You can use small bindis also. So here 5 is in ones place, so there will be 5 bead in ones place. So next one is 10. Tens place there is 1, so we will put 1 bit. Then in 100 place there is 2, so we will put 2 bits. Again in 1000 place there is 6, so we will put 6 bits. Again in 10,000 place there is 1, so we will put 1 bit. Next we will see, write the place and the place value of the digit 6 and 5 in the number. 6 is in lakhs place and the place value of 5 is 10,000. Next we will see, write the period, place and the face value of the face value and the place value of the encircled digit. So here one number is given, that is 82,046. The period is in ones, 4 is in ones. The place of 4 is tens and the face value of 4 is 4 and the place value of 4 is 40. According to that you have to do next all the question answer. The next question is, arrange the given number in the place value chart. Write their place value and also write their number names. So here the number is 72,406. So first we will draw like this a place value chart. Then in that we will form like this: ones place, tens place, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakhs. Then accordingly we will put the numbers orderly. That is 0, that is 6 is in ones place, 0 is in tens place, 4 is in 100 place, 2 is in 1000 place and 7 is in 10,000 place. The next example we will see, that is question number E. That is the number is 3290146. So first we will form the place value chart. Then in that we will form the numbers. In ones place there is 6, in tens place there is 4, in 100 place there is 1, again in 1000 place there is 0, again 10,000 place there is 9, again in lakhs place there is 2 and 10 lakhs place there is 3. So 32 lakh 90,146. Again, find the sum of the place value of the digit 5 in the following number. Here 52,305. So first 5 is in which place? 10,000 place. Again 5 is in ones place. So when we will add, we will get 50,005. Again 6 5 to 805. First 5 is in 10,000 place. Again 5 is in ones place. So the number will be 50,005. Children, you do all your homework. Thank you.